Before we begin, you need a USB to MIDI cable. I'm using this Worthy cable I found on eBay for $6 or $7. You only need the MIDI out from it because you're sending signals from the computer to your device. I'm going to be using a 2008 MacBook to run the backing tracks and to do the MIDI switching. I got this computer because it's relatively cheap and I did all the mods myself. So it has a solid state hard drive and it's running 10.7 Lion. So it's fairly old, but it's reliable for what I'm using it for.
And it's black, so.
And now we can program our patch changes. To set up MIDI switching within Logic, you're going to create a new blank template. Then you click on Track, and then on New Tracks. Then you select External MIDI Track, and on the drop-down menu, you select your MIDI device. On your new track, you're going to right-click and you're going to create a new MIDI region. Once that is set up, press D on your keyboard. This will open up your events window. On the right side of the window, under the drop-down menu, you're going to change that to Program Change. On the events list, under Value, that will indicate what preset your MIDI change will occur to. In my case being 0 for patch number 1A on the pod. You repeat this for every single preset change you want to occur within your track, and you should be good to go. To set up automated preset switching within Reaper, you open up a new blank project in Reaper. Then you click on Options and scroll down to Preferences. Here you're going to see your USB MIDI interface. Usually it's going to be disabled by default, so you have to enable output. Once you have that set, you can click OK and you go to create a new track, which is an Insert Track. From here you go to the routing section, which is this little square right here. You click on that and your output device should be your MIDI interface. You can close that out and then you go to FX. You turn that on. You're going to search for RIA Control. Then you click OK. Under Bank/Program Select, you click Enable, and then under Control Change, you click Enable. You can close that out. You highlight wherever you want your MIDI change to occur, and then you go to Insert New MIDI Item. So here you see your MIDI item, you can double click that. So you're going to see the piano roll. Now you go to the bottom left of that window and you click on Bank/Program Select. Make sure that is highlighted. So let's say I want a message sent to Bank 1B. So there is the actual change. You can program another change just by clicking anywhere. Now you do this for every single change that you want and you're all set.